Hello everyone and welcome to today's lecture. Today we are moving into module 6 which focuses on advanced business models and revenue architecture. So up until this point in this course we have discussed how businesses create value and how entrepreneurs identify opportunities and how organizations develop strategies and values to compete in the market. So, however, creating value is only one side of the equation. A business must also design effective revenue system so in order to survive and grow. Without reliable revenue generation, even the most innovative and most successful business ideas can struggle to remain sustainable in the market. So, as we know that today's topic is multi-stream revenue model and which is design hybrid revenue model. Many businesses begins with a single primary revenue source. For example, a consulting firm may earn income from consulting services, or a retail business may depend mainly on selling products to customers. While this approach can work in the early stages of business. So in this lecture we clear about how revenue model can help to flourish a business in the market. So relying on a single source of revenue can make and create a significant role and prevent from the company a financial risk. So the markets change rapidly. A consumer preferences shift, economic conditions fluctuate, and make new competitor in the market can enter the market and in the firm. So when a business depends on only one income source, any disruption in that source can create uh, a very serious financial challenges or problems in the market, which creates challenges for the firm or company. So for this reason, a successful entrepreneurs and modern organizations increasingly and they focus on diversifying their revenue plan to make more revenue streams by developing multiple source of income. Businesses can improve or maintain financial stability in the market. So reduced risk in the financial status of firm can make and create more opportunities for the long term growth for any company. So in today's lecture we will explore how businesses design and implement multiple stream revenue strategies, and how these strategies contribute to sustainable business development in the market. Uh, Before we begin discussing the details, let me briefly outline what we will cover in this lecture. First, we will define a concept of revenue streams, and understand why they are important within business models. Next, we will explore the phases approach to revenue development, which explain how businesses gradually expand from a single income source to multiple dimension or multiple streams. Then we will examine how different categories of revenue streams, including traditional service based income, digital product income, content based revenue models, and investment based income streams. After that, we will discuss strategic considerations that businesses must evaluate when developing a new revenue streams. And then finally, we will analyze a practical case example that illustrate how an entrepreneur can slowly, gradually um, build a diversified revenue structure over time period. So, by the end of this lecture, you should have a clear understand how to create multi-stream revenue planning works and why it is such an important component of modern business strategy. So, first of all, we will discuss about understanding revenue streams. As you see that about the introduction of multi-stream revenue plan, basically multiple revenue stream means earning from more than one income. You will earn from the multiple sources by the uh, by the basic strategy plan, which can include both passive and active income side. And this income really helpful uh, to generate a new strategy for the business model and help the entrepreneurs and business to reduce the financial risk, which is provide a stable or predictable income for the firm. So let us begin with a basic question. What a what exactly uh, is a revenue stream? A revenue stream is refers to a specific source through through which a business or firm earns more money. So most businesses generate income from one or more of the following activities. Those activities are selling physical products, providing professional services, offering subscriptions or memberships, licensing intellectual property, generating advertising revenue. Or last one is that earning commissions from partnerships. So each of this represent a distinct revenue stream. So from a strategic perspective, revenue streams are a key of component of any company business's model, because they determine how the organization converts value into the financial return. So when businesses carefully begin their their revenue streams, they can create more system that generate income in a consistent and scalable way. So we further discuss about um, the definition of revenue streams. You can see that the definition is the revenue in simple word we can easily understood that to earn from the different sources. There are the examples. Some are the rental income, subscription services, digital products, investment, and consulting services. So, what are the importance of revenue? As we know that diversifying revenue, which helps to businesses to reduce the financial risk, maintain sustainable cash flow, and reach new markets, identify the consumers in the market. So it increase the long term profitability when we know that about the need of the consumer in the market. So it helps to reduce the risk and give the multiple sources for the sustainable profit of the business. So this revenue also faces challenges. Now let us consider about the risk which is associated from the single revenue system. So as we know that when a businesses depend on heavily on only one income, on a single revenue uh, it becomes vulnerable to external changes. For example, imagine a company that earns all of its revenue from selling one specific product. If customer demand of that product declines, or if a competitor introduces a better alternative in the market, uh, the company may be experience a sudden decline in revenue. Similarly, a service-based business that that relies on a small number of major clients may face a financial um, difficulties if those clients decide to um, decide reduce the risk of challenges, so they will target multiple sources. Similarly, a service based business that rely a small number of major clients may face financial difficulties if those clients decide to reduce their spending or switch to another provider. So uh, in this lecture, uh, in this situation, the business has limited flexibility because it does not have other revenue sources to compensate for the loss. This is why many modern organizations emphasize the importance of revenue diversification. Uh, a cash flow also faces many challenges, like many businesses rely on a single revenue, payroll or operational um, operational cost must still be paid. Slow months can create financial pressure. Multiple income stream reduce the risks. So now we will discuss about the failure statistics. Uh, around many studies shows that around 82% of small businesses uh, fail due to the wrong strategy, because as we know that strategy want execution, and without execution we cannot sustainable in the business or firm. So around 82% of small businesses fail due to the problems of cash flow, lack of diversified income increases vulnerability, and stable revenue streams can improve the business survival. Because in the concept of multi-stream revenue refers to a strategy which a business generate multiple sources from multiple independent sources rather than relying on a single activity. This stream may be related to each other, or they may serve different customer segments. For example, a business might combine product sales, uh, consulting services, digital training programs, subscription based services. So each streams contribute overall financial performance, and uh, they can give the many advantages, and businesses can support it with a lot of flexibility. This is why modern organization emphasize about the importance of revenue diversification. Now further we will discuss about the benefit. What are the benefit of the multiple resources? As we discussed before, it gives the financial stability, because multi-stream revenue refers to the strategy in which a business generates income from multiple independent sources. So it reduces dependence on one client and increase opportunity for the growth of any firm. That's why we will use our multiple sources to generate revenue. So the key advantage to approach is financial resilience. When um, one revenue stream experiences a temporary decline, other streams may continue generating income, helping the business maintain stability. Thank you.